Welcome to our mass tutorial series. I'm your host, Young Engineer, and kindly request that you consider subscribing to my channel, thereby ensuring access to a plethora of forthcoming videos replayed with insightful explanation and illustrative examples. Okay, in this first tutorial, we'll be exploring the concept of set. Set. We'll be hearing something about sets. What is set? A set is just a collection of unique objects known as elements or members that can be anything, either numbers, letters, people, countries, etc. Sets are used to define collection of objects that share common existence. Okay, let's move to notation. We denote sets using curly brackets and list the elements inside. What this sentence means? It means that notation is just a set that determines what elements are inside. What elements are either numbers, are either alphabetically, are either pupils, are either states inside that element. Let's take for instance for numbers. Example, we are having A is equals to this our curly bracket. This is a set. All the members are inside the set are called members. For instance, let's say 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So these are the members of set A. But notation is a set that determines what elements are inside. The elements we have to determine the element are inside A. What are the elements are inside A? The elements are what are numerical. So therefore, this numerical they are the notation of the set. And we are having our numerical value. So 1, 2, 3, and 5 is a set containing numbers 1 through 5. It means that a set containing numbers 1 to 5 in series. And let's take for instance B. A, B, and C. So what kind of notation set is this? It's a set containing the letters from A, B, and C. We have to list the all members inside an element B. So when we list the all members to, that is our notation, because notation is all about determination of what element are inside our set, either set A, either set B, either set C. That's all about notation. Okay, let's see some key concepts under set. Let's begin with element. Element. What is an element? If we heard something about element in set, it means that an element is an object that belongs to a set. It means, let's take example A. Set A. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are called the elements. The objects are inside this set A, they are called element. All the numbers from 1 to 5, they are the element of this set. Okay, let's see subset. Subset. What do we mean by subset? A subset is a set whose elements are contained in another set. It means that an object inside set B is a subset of A. Let's take it as physically example. We're having B 1, 3, and 5. And let's have set A. We're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from this example, we can see that B is a subset of A. What is the reason that B is a subset of A? Because the elements are inside B, they can be found inside A. That's the element. Element can be found inside B, can also be seen in in set A. Okay, let's see union. Union is just simple because it's just a combination of two sets. For instance, let's have element A. Okay, let's have a set of A and we're having the element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is the element inside A. And let's have B, and B we are having A B, and C. Okay, if we are to find the union of the set, we are to count the list of the whole members inside A and B. It will be the A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and C. So that's all about union, the combination of two sets, two or more sets. Okay, let's